So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to insert a Chicago style citation here inside of a document on Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is, it goes without saying, open up a Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, now the home tab for me is selected right here in the top. So if you just decide this a little bit to the right until you come across references right here, press on the references tab at the top. Once you're done, just scroll down a little bit to where it says insert citation. But before you press on that, where it says APA right here for bibliography style, press on the drop down and then select Chicago style right here. To make sure that you have the right citation in your document. So for example, like I said, we want to do a Chicago style citation. So once that is done, press on insert citation right here. Once that is done right here, we're actually looking for a Chicago style. So you can type in the author just like that, AUTHOR. Title of the book, we'll type in the title, the city, the publisher, and the year. We'll just go 2024. Now, if you want to change it from a book to, let's just say, maybe a website, you can do that as well to get more information. We'll go month, we'll go day, we'll go 2024, we'll go, I don't know, May, whatever the case may be. Sort of fill it out, whatever you have to do. Once that's done, press on OK. And there you go. You now have your Chicago style citation inserted inside of your document here on Microsoft Word. So super simple, super straightforward. This is how to insert a Chicago style citation into your document here on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.